Okay, hopefully this will help. So I'm on the HMH page, and then the assignments tab, and that's where Trenton's going to want to go. And then once he sees his assignment, the My Book above, below, and beyond, he'll just go ahead and click on it to open it, and it should open to this page, which is the start of the module. If he just flips to the next page, the video should load up here. Yep, and then there's the video. Also, if you click on contents over here in the top left, so it's got the above and below, and then you can just kind of navigate that way. And then here's the A Few Who Dared, which should be the kind of mini reading intro to the topic. So click on that, and then there it is, pulls it up. So, and if you're ever unsure, just really flip through the pages. Everything's going to be in the My Book, and eventually you'll land on what you want. So here's the actual story as I just kind of flipped through a little bit. So everything should be there other than the quiz, and that would just be another assignment that he would go back to that assignments tab to find. Hopefully that helps.